Hashtag making the Iron Man suit a reality. Scene: a workshop filled with tools and tech, sparks flying as I weld a piece of metal. Ever since I was a kid, I've been obsessed with Iron Man. The suit, the tech, the sheer awesomeness of it all. And now, thanks to years of research and engineering, I'm finally making it a reality. Camera zooms in on a complex circuit board I'm assembling. This isn't just some costume. It's a marvel of engineering packed with cutting-edge tech. Repulsors, AI, self-repairing armor. It's all coming together. I lift a repulsor gauntlet, sparks crackling at my fingertips. The repulsor tech is the heart of the suit, allowing for flight and powerful blasts. It's taken countless prototypes and late nights, but it's finally working. I slip on the helmet, the HUD lighting up with information. The helmet's HUD displays vital information and controls the suit systems. It's like having Jarvis right there with me, only way cooler. I take a deep breath, the suit whirring to life. This isn't just a dream anymore. It's real. And soon, I'll be soaring through the skies, ready to take on any challenge. I raise my hand, firing a repulsor blast that melts a metal beam. The future of Iron Man is here. And it's incredible.